Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This lecture is regarding one word substitution. In the other hand, we can also call this English terminologies. This one word substitution has a crucial importance in the competitive examination, and especially 5 to 10 one word substitution is expected in the upcoming PMS screening test. So let's start. Audience. Audience, a number of people listening to a lecture. Altruist, one who consider the happiness and well-being of other first. Atheist, atheist, a person who does not believe in God. Anthropologist, one who studies the evolution of mankind. Autocracy, government by one person. Autobiography, the life history of a person written by himself. Amputate, to cut off a part of person's body which is infected. Arsenal, a place for ammunition and weapons. Archives, a place where government or public records are kept. Amateur, a man who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession. Aristocracy, government by the nobles. Aquatic, animals or plants which live in water. Amphibian, animals which live both on land and sea. Ambidexter, one who can use either hand with ease. Alimony, allowance paid to wipe on legal separation. Anthology, a collection of poems. Abdication, voluntary giving up of the throne in favor of someone. Arbitrator, a person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute. Astronomer, a person who studies stars, planets, and other heavenly bodies. Astrologer, a person who studies the influence of heavenly bodies on human beings. Anthology, a collection of poems. Axiom, a statement which is accepted as true without proof. Agenda, a list of headings of the business to be transacted at a meeting. Anarchist, one who is out to destroy all governments, law and order. Almanac, an annual calendar with position of stars. Bigamy, the practice of having two wives or husbands at a time. Bibliophile, a lover and collector of books. Bouquet, a collection of flowers. Bureaucracy, government by the officials. Belligerent, a person, nation that is involved in war. Biennial, an event which happens once in 2 years. Blasphemy, the act of speaking disrespectfully about sacred things. Crèche, a nursery where children are cared for while their parents are at work. Cosmopolitan, a person who regards the whole world as his country. Chauffeur, one who is employed to drive a motor car. Curator, a person in charge of a museum. Carnivorous, one who lives on flesh. Cannibal, one who feeds on human flesh. Contemporaries, belonging to or living at the same time. Clock room, a place for luggage at the railway station. Cynosure, the center of attraction. Connoisseur, a critical judge of any art and craft. Crusade, a religious war. Choreographer, one who teach dancing. Cacographist, a person who is bad in spelling. Calligraphist, a person who writes beautiful handwriting. Cynic, one who sneers at the aim and belief of his fellow men. Convalescent, one who is recovering health. Cavalry, soldier who fight on horseback. Cardiologist, a person who is specialist in heart diseases. Cartographer, one who draws maps. Dormitory, the sleeping room with several beds, especially in a college or institution. Drawn, a game that results neither in victory nor in defeat. Elegy, a poem of lamentation. Epitaph, words which are inscribed on the grave or the tomb in the memory of the buried. Ephemeral, lasting one day. Effeminate, a person who is womanish. Emigrant, a person who leaves his own country and goes to live in another. Edible, fit to be eaten. Egotism, practice of talking too much about oneself. Encyclopedia, a book that contains information on various subjects. Epicure, one who is devoted to the pleasure of eating and drinking. Florist, one who deals in flowers. Fastidious, one who is very selective in one's taste. Fanatic or bigot, one who is filled with excessive and mistaken enthusiasm in religious matters. Fatal, causing death. fatalist, one who believes in fate, facsimile, an exact copy of handwriting, printing, etc. This was the end of the lecture. For such type of more informative video, like this lecture and subscribe my channel.